Wake up, smile and tell yourselves, today is my day. Hi, it's me, Reshma. Do you hear any sound? I heard a sound. Let's check where it's come from. Oh my god, it's an elephant. I love elephants. Do you love elephants? Oh, it's too big. Friends, do you know one thing? Elephant is the largest animal in the entire world. Look friends, it has two beautiful ivory tusks. I love the smell of the flower. Elephant, do you want to smell this? Elephant, where is the nose? Let's check it. Oh my god, this is the nose. Do you know friends one thing? The long nose of the elephant is called trunk. Using this trunk, he can eat food, suck water and smell and breathe. So, bye bye elephant. Friends, let's watch how to draw a simple cute elephant.
Elly the elephant goes this way and that. She's so very big, she's so very fat. She sways her trunk from side to side. She takes us for a jolly ride.